How to get your LinkedIn profile link for a resume. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First, navigate to a web browser. Click search bar and type in linkedin.com. Press enter on your keyboard and make sure you sign in to your account. Then click on Me icon at top right corner of your screen. Then select View Profile. You can easily scroll down. And at top right, you can easily view public profile and URL. You can easily click on the pencil icon next to it. Then you can easily customize it if you'd like to. Or else you can click as it is or save the custom URL. You can enter your company name or your own name. Then click on Save button. Afterwards, you can simply copy the link given here by clicking on Ctrl C on your keyboard. Once copied, you can add it to your resume. And that's it. You now have your LinkedIn profile link ready to add to your resume. If this really helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.